Did you know your Honda Pilot offers a variety of customizable door and security settings? These features are designed to adapt to your lifestyle, ensuring convenience, safety, and peace of mind. Whether you're setting up smart entry, walkaway auto lock, or managing child safety locks, there's a lot to explore. Let's break it down in a way that's simple and practical. Gone are the days of fumbling for your keys. With the Pilot's smart entry system, unlocking your car is as easy as grabbing the handle. As long as the key fob is in your pocket or bag, the door unlocks instantly. By default, grabbing the driver's door handle unlocks only that door. But if you often have passengers, you can set it to unlock all doors. Go to Vehicle Settings, Keyless Access Setup, Door Unlock Mode, and select all doors. For higher trims like the Touring, Elite, and Black Edition, the Smart Entry feature extends to the rear doors. A simple touch unlocks all doors. Perfect for when your hands are full. Speaking of the trim levels, because we haven't had access to the base Sport trim and discontinued LX, keep in mind that their settings are very similar to what we will discuss here. The difference is that instead of the touchscreen, you can find those settings on the left side of the instrument cluster. Your Pilot locks the doors automatically for safety and convenience. By default, they lock as soon as you drive past 10 miles or 15 kilometers per hour. Prefer locking when you shift out of park? No problem. Go to Vehicle Settings, Door Window Setup, then Auto Door Lock, and choose your preferred method. This feature ensures your doors are always secure, so you can focus on the road ahead. When you shift into park and open the driver's door, all doors unlock by default. If that doesn't suit your needs, you can customize it. Go to Vehicle Settings, Door Window Setup, Auto Door Unlock, and choose from these options. Unlock all doors when shifted to park. Unlock all doors when the ignition is turned off. Keep all doors locked until you manually unlock them. Find the setting that works best for you and your passengers. Traveling with kids? The Pilot's Child Lock feature ensures rear doors can only be opened from the outside. Activating it is simple. Locate the switch near the rear door latch. Flip it to the locked position. Repeat this for each rear door, and you're good to go. This small feature brings big peace of mind for family trips. Ever walked away from your car and wondered if you locked it? With Walkaway Auto Lock, the Pilot takes care of that for you. Once you turn off the engine and walk away with the key fob, the doors lock automatically. You'll hear a confirmation beep, so there's no second guessing. To enable it, go to Vehicle Settings, Door and Window Setup, Walkaway Auto Lock, and toggle it on. It's a simple way to keep your car secure. Not a fan of the beeps or light flashes when locking or unlocking? You can turn these off and adjust settings for both the remote and door handles. For the remote, go to Vehicle Settings, Door Window Setup, Keyless Lock Answer Back to turn off the light flashes. For the door handle light, navigate to Keyless Access Setup, Keyless Access Light Flash, and select Off. For the door handle beep, in the same menu, find Keyless Access Beep and turn it off. Now you can enjoy a quieter, more personalized experience. Even if your key fob's battery dies, you're not locked out. Press the release button on the underside of the key fob to access the built-in physical key. Insert it into the slot beneath the driver's door handle and turn to unlock. To start the car, press the brake like usual, then touch the engine start button with the fob. The Pilot's built-in chip recognizes the key, even without battery power. To lock your Honda Pilot, you can either press the lock button on the key fob or simply place your finger on the ridged area of the door handle while the key fob is in your possession. Both methods are quick and convenient. If you don't have your key fob, locking your Honda Pilot is still easy. When locking the driver's door from the inside, some Pilots lock after 10 beeps, while others unlock immediately. I'm not sure why, to be honest. To lock it securely, just head to the front passenger door, press the lock button on the inside, and listen for the beep confirming all doors are locked. If you've made similar observations, share them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips. On Trail Sport, Elite and Black Edition trims, the side mirrors automatically fold in when you lock the doors. Handy for tight parking spots. If they don't fold automatically, or you'd prefer to turn this feature off, go to Vehicle Settings, Door Window Setup, Auto Folding Door Mirror, and adjust to your liking. Here's a feature that helps prevent accidental unlocks. If you unlock the doors, but don't open them within 30 seconds, the Pilot relocks them automatically. The default setting is 30 seconds, but you can adjust it in the vehicle settings to better suit your needs. On the Keyless Access Setup page, you can choose how the system handles situations when the key fob is left inside the vehicle. By default, lockout protection prevents accidental locking by automatically unlocking the doors if the key fob is detected inside. However, you can customize this setting to allow the Pilot to lock itself even if the key fob is left inside, offering flexibility based on your preferences. Honda's thoughtful design makes it easy to tailor these features to fit your lifestyle. Try out these settings and make your Pilot truly yours.